Hi everyone, back with a new video, and this time we're gonna use a shortcut with Raycast. So Raycast is a shortcut app to improve your productivity with some AI capabilities. And my use case here is very basic. Whenever you see these videos with like 120 minutes, so basically 2 hours plus. It's really challenging to get to the point and have the full time to really go through it and unless it's really, really, really valuable. So what I have here is a system where basically with a simple shortcut, all I have to do is launch the shortcut and basically get my summary as I wanted in a structured way for those 2 hours videos or an hour and a half video, etc. And this works basically whenever I'm on YouTube like this. I launch my Raycast, and I have here, you can see it, my tube summary, which is basically the AI command. And this will be using my Gemini 2.5 Flash API key, and basically goes through a specific system prompt that I provided to give me the full summary of these YouTube videos in a structured way that already provided earlier on when I designed this Raycast shortcut. And in a few seconds, you will see as here the full summary. So I have 5 to 6 lines maximum of the main summary. What are the key insights? And then anything that is specific to tips, tricks, and advice, and other key valuable insights from that piece. And as you can see here, for example, the widely known essay, good product manager, bad product manager, etc., significant startup opportunities. All of these were discussed, and I don't have basically to wait for those 2 hours. If we take
There is no
another,
question that a
let's
lot of
say,
companies overhired
um,
during the pandemic. I go into
video,
some
for
companies.
example,
You've worked at so
this
many
one
great companies.
with Noam Lovinsky on Lenny's podcast. Same again, tube summary. I launch it, and in few seconds, I will have my full summary. And I will walk you through in a few seconds, basically, on how I designed this Raycast with the full prompt. So you can also comment on the channel, and I would be happy to share the prompt itself. So again, 4 or 5 lines for the summary, the key insights and bullet points, and then tips, tricks, and any advice that has been identified in those 70 minutes. Prioritize decisions that serve the best interest of the business. Recognize when it's time to terminate a project that isn't performing, and so on. And from here, I can even basically switch this to a full chat. And I basically start chatting with that YouTube video directly, or I can basically branch it as a new chat on Raycast, and I can use that in my memory to really dig deeper for more research or more extraction of those quantities. So if I want to basically walk you through what's behind this, you can see here in terms of the command itself. So this command basically is designed with Gemini 2.5 Flash. I can choose my own model. So in Raycast, you can use the available models, or you can bring your own API key and you can add it. You can choose the creativity level, and this is basically where I have my full system prompt, who you are as an AI agent, what's the purpose is to process a raw YouTube video transcript and transform it into a concise, multifaceted document. What's the context? The user will provide you with the full transcript of a YouTube video. And all I have is basically just open the web page on the YouTube video. And the task with full structured and instruction: full analysis, content filtering, executive summary, key insights, actionable advice, and final assembly. Give it some examples, and basically the final command is this, the browser tab as the main entry point, which is where you are here. So this is it. If you have Raycast on your Mac or Windows, this is really a useful way to leverage it for your daily productivity. And see you soon in the next video.